What is going on, everyone? Welcome to the Thai Life channel. In this podcast today, I would like to talk to you about nail pricing. And y'all probably sick and tired hearing a lot of nail tech talking about, why clients always complain about us being too expensive. We're actually not that expensive. You pay for what you get. Nail is a luxurious service. Look, today I'm going to clear the air out for y'all because you haven't heard my version yet. You haven't. But today I'm going to break it down to you. How lucky you are that you're still paying cheap price for nails. But before we start, I want to share with y'all this story. A couple days ago, all of a sudden, I got this comment on my podcast saying, Thai Life, please, please, please make your podcast name into Thai Pod. And I was like, Thai Pod? That sounds amazing, catchy. Ran up to the stair, told my wife, hey, what you think? Thai Pod. She's like, you know what? Welcome to the Thai Pod, y'all. Let's start the show out the right way. Get it. Y'all right, y'all. Whew, let's calm down. So, nail pricing. Why are you still lucky that you're paying cheap price in nails right now? Do y'all still remember back in the day, year 2000? And the reason why I'm going to use year 2000 is that's when I started doing nails. I don't know anything before year 2000 because I was a little tiny baby. You know what I mean? I was just barely learning how to walk the street. So, year 2000, I remember full set, $20. White tips, $25. Pink and white full set, $30. Manicure, $12. Pedicure, $17. Bringing out a bucket, okay? Back in the day, those were cheap price. But to a lot of people back then, still consider nail as expensive because they compared themselves to the 80s, to the 70s. Come on, y'all. Y'all ever heard of inflation? Inflation affects everything. The way you live, the way you spend money, the way you save. So at that time right there, a lot of people willing to spend $10, $20 to get the nails polished and all that, right? Now let's fast forward in year 2024, which is right now. A lot of salon you go to, the price of a full set right now, you can find it at $35. And if you want to add French, it's $40. You want to add pink and white, it's $45. And I just want to let y'all know, design is a different animal. We're going to talk about design later. But right now, we just talking about the standard of a full set. Y'all heard me? So now, rewind to year 2000. You paying $20. And now, you paying $35. That's $15 of increase in the last 20 years. Come on, y'all. That is not that bad. And here you are, you spending 130 some bucks on lashes. And the nail, come on, y'all. The nail make you look good. The nail give you confidence. The nail make your ugly hand into a pretty hand. The nail keep you shiny all the time. And you still paying $35. That's why I'm telling y'all, y'all lucky that y'all paying the price right now. Okay? Now, designs are different. Design is another animal to the nails. Anybody can do acrylic application, file shape, put a polish on there, you're good to go. But when there's design, and you think design is expensive nowadays, then you shouldn't blame the nail tech. We just do what the clients ask. You blame on the next generation, okay? You blame the new generation. Those are the ones being bougie. Okay, you blame Cardi B. All the bling, all the diamond, that costs money to put on. And I'm not talking about the bling. The bling are not expensive. Those are made in China plastic bling. Amazon, okay, $10.99 a whole pack. But what we charging y'all is the time putting them blings on. If I had to put on every single bling on the whole nail, that takes a lot of time, y'all. Because y'all want it perfect, right? You don't want me to just slap it on and have crooked bling and everything. That costs money. And that's where the money of the nail set increase. For real. They don't increase because we do a simple set. Those simple set, we barely increase them. Bro, 20 years, we only increase it by $15. Come on, man. That ain't expensive. Y'all go out, buy Starbucks twice a day. That's like $15. And that's only one day. We increased it by $15 in the last 20 years for the love of God. So each year we barely increase it by like a couple bucks, and y'all saying we expensive? We are not expensive. You are lucky that you're paying the price you're paying right now, okay? Because in the future, and I'm talking about maybe 5 years down the road, you won't see $45 food set no more. You gonna see 60-some bucks to start out as a food set because we are artists. The art is gonna get expensive. Y'all enjoy what you paying now instead of complaining. And I get it. Some of y'all are stuck in the era of the year 2000 where you are not going to believe the fact that things has changed. You're not going to believe in inflation. Everything goes up. You won't. But it's okay. That's why I'm here to clear out the air. We get it. Us nail tech, we don't talk smack about y'all. We know nail has become a luxurious service. Back in the day, nails was like an in and out shop. Boom, 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 boom. You in, you're out. But you can't do that with nail art nowadays. Nail art becomes the animal of the nails. We are not side hustling no more back in the day, y'all. We are making legitimate art on these freaking nails. And that's what you're paying for. Life is beautiful. Put on a set of nails. That's going to cost you money, honey. Yes, it will. Yes, it will. But it's okay. Tell yourself, you're paying good price right now. Trust me. And us nail tech, we love you long time. We treat you good. We listen to you. Free therapy. Boy, wait until in the future when the nail tech got smart, they charging you just to talk. This ain't no free therapy, bitch. This is a full service salon where you pay, we listen. You know what I mean? Nah, I'm just joking, y'all. I know some of y'all probably getting all upset right now and be like, oh my God, did he just cuss in his podcast? Oh my God, he is going crazy. I should not listen to this guy's advice. Look, I'm just here to clear the air, y'all. I want y'all to have a peaceful life getting your nails done. Enjoy it. You know, there's a lot of service out there. They increase price like a mother effer, and y'all still paying for it. Nails, we are charging y'all only $45 and up. And y'all get to enjoy that for the whole month. Sometimes even more, because we be using some good product nowadays, y'all. But my point is, y'all enjoy paying what you're paying now. Because trust me, the future is pretty cloudy for y'all clients who's complaining about the price. But for the nail tech, we are artists. We're not just your regular in and out shop anymore. Whatever you want on your nails, we gonna give it to you. You heard me? All right, y'all. Let's end the show the right way. Yo, get it, get it. Bum, 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 bum. I'm early. I appreciate y'all so much. Till next time, y'all.